So here's just how to simply install a voltage regulator. As you can see here, we have input and output. For the output, we have two different outputs, the 110 volts and 240 volts. So you choose depending on your current your country voltage. So it's simple, the input voltage and the output voltage. You just put the one that you want. For the input voltage is the grid which comes from the distribution board, and on the distribution board you take the power from the mains going to the input of the voltage stabilizer, and then from this voltage stabilizer you take the output of that to the load on the distribution board. So that's how it works.